Hey, how are you? Yeah, you seem a bit stressed. Can I ask you a couple of questions? Okay, yeah. First, I just want to know what's causing all that stress that you have. Okay, yeah. I understand, yeah. So, I just want to let you know that it's normal to be stressed about that kind of stuff. And that it's good that you're here now. You're safe and it's calm. So, I just want you to try and relax and maybe try to fall asleep. But first, I have a couple more questions. Okay, is that okay with you? Yeah. Okay. I just want to know, how have you been sleeping lately? Have you been sleeping well or not enough? Okay, yeah. Because of the stress? Okay, yeah. And how have you been taking care of yourself lately? Okay, okay, I understand. And how have you been eating lately? Okay, okay, I understand. All right. So, as I said, tonight we're gonna focus on you, and I'm gonna try to help you to get um, some of your stress away. And feel free to close your eyes and try to fall asleep. Okay. Okay. All right. We'll start. All right. So what I'm gonna do right now is that I'm just gonna start by, you know, plucking the stress away, the big chunk of stress. Pluck, 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 fingers, the bigger chunks from your face, okay? Is that okay that I touch your face a bit? Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna put some lotion first so it's not that rough on your face, okay? Alright. Is that okay? Yeah, okay. Alright. Yeah, just a tiny bit. There's just a bit, yeah. Yeah. I just want to make sure that I get everything. Yeah, there's a big one here. So I'm just trying to be careful, to be as gentle as possible. Okay, all right. I think I got most of it. Okay. All right. So let me go back to the smaller pieces that I can just grab with my fingers. Pluck, 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 pluck. Alright. For the next step, I'm just gonna brush. I'm gonna brush it away with a makeup brush. I mean, the brush I'm gonna be using is for those really small pieces. So yeah, that's what it's gonna be for. Just like swoop, 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 try to